I got this really nice tool set. Let's take it out of the box and check it out. All right, so this is what was in the box. This came in one box, this came in another box, but basically this is their ABCD package. So I have 3 trays here and 1 tray here. And the cool thing about this is all of these trays work together, so you can build the kit that you need. You can put it in the trunk of your car. Maybe some of them you leave at home. Maybe you take them all with you. But there's different pieces in each one of these trays, and they all go together. So to start with, you just grab the handle and press the button, and then you can pull the lid off. So here's the first lid to pull off. And on the top of this one, it's got this nice tray on the inside that you can hold nuts, bolts, anchors, miscellaneous little pieces of things that you need around the house. It just keeps them all nice and together right here. And then you can take these with you. Let's say you have a nice organized set of nails and screws and all of that. Well, you can take that with you if you need to. Or if you don't want to bring it with you, you come down here, press this button, take that off. Underneath this little foam insert here to protect everything, you have your tools. So this is a mini screwdriver with different bits. You've got an 8-ounce hammer, a nice pair of pliers that also has wire cutters in them. You got Allen key set, tape measure, and then a full-size screwdriver here where you can use these same bits in this. And they're really nice. I mean, these are pretty nice quality tools. Then you've got more. So you come, you press this button, you lift up this tray. Same thing, it's got a foam insert on the bottom. You've got a pair of needle nose pliers, which also have wire cutters. You've got an adjustable wrench, a razor blade box cutter. You have a Phillips and flathead larger bit and a Phillips and flathead smaller bit. And you've got an assortment of screws and anchors that come in here. This is pretty nice. These are drywall anchors and just an assorted set. So that's what you got in that portion there. So in mine, it came in 2 different sets. You've got this foam insert and you've got an electric drill. So this is a really nice looking electric drill. It's got all the features that you would need in an electric drill: forward and reverse, dual speed. This is just a nice electric drill. It's got the charger points here on the bottom, so you could actually just take out this charger and set it in there to charge, just like that. Or you could use this portion of the charger and plug it right into the bottom of the drill. You could charge it either way, so you could either use this directly connected, or you could plug this into the cradle, and then now you can charge it like that. So you can use that either way. I really like those options. And it comes with its own set of tools. It's got a couple miscellaneous bits and drills, even some sockets. So it comes with a nice little entry-level set here. Very nice. And they package it all up really well, so that way you can just stick it all back in this container. And all of these trays, like I said, work together. So let me show you all of this put together in one stack. So I stacked them all together, and now you just pick up this handle and you have the whole set with you that you can take with you. Even with all of these together, it's still not very heavy. You can easily carry this around. But again, like I said, you could just push these buttons and take off the pieces that you don't want. So if you didn't want to carry all of your nuts and bolts and stuff with you, you could just push this button, take that one off. To put these trays or the lids on, you just push them in the back and then snap them down. And that's it. Now we have a smaller set to carry around with us. Very neat kit. I really like what they did about making all of this as portable as it is. And I like how the cases work together. You can just buy the pieces you need and snap them together. This is great for someone that's a new homeowner or someone that doesn't have a ton of tools already. This provides you pretty much everything you need in a basic kit, which, like I said, you can just build upon if you want to add more pieces. All right, so I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.